evening, everyone. Honorable Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, leaders of India's automobile industry, innovators, policymakers, and all our distinguished guests, I warmly welcome you to the Times Drive Green Conclave and Awards 2024. At Times Network, we are home to some of India's premier digital brands. Times Now, ET Now, Times Now Bharat, Digit, Zoom, Sports Now, Pickleball Now, Health and Me, to name a few. And of course, your very own Times Drive. Each month, we engage with hundreds of millions of viewers across our diverse platforms, including websites, apps, YouTube, and social media. Today marks an exciting milestone as we officially unveil a dedicated digital destination, timesdrive.in, an initiative dedicated to leading conversations on mobility and shaping India's future. Under the leadership of Shri Gadkari ji, India has set new global benchmarks in road transport and infrastructure. The Times Drive Green Conclave and Awards aim to spotlight innovations and foster collaborations to accelerate India's green mobility revolution. The inaugural edition, theme Leading India's Green Mobility Drive, centers on the partnerships needed among manufacturers, energy providers, tech innovators, and policymakers to scale sustainable solutions. India has emerged a global leader in the auto sector, with the EV industry experiencing unprecedented growth. As per reports, the Indian EV market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 49% between 2022 and 2030, reaching an annual sales volume of over 17 million units by 2030. Furthermore, India recorded the sale of 1.1 million EVs in 2023 alone, a staggering 150% increase over the previous year, underscoring the rapid shift towards sustainable mobility. Now, none of this progress would have been possible without the exceptional leadership of our chief guest, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji. Under his visionary guidance, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has spearheaded transformative initiatives. For instance, over 6,000 EV charging stations have been installed under the FAME-II scheme, with a target to install over 20,000 in the coming years. India is championing the use of green hydrogen. Policies incentivizing flex fuel and biofuel vehicles have been introduced. The growth of the EV ecosystem is not just a policy story, but also a consumer-driven revolution. According to Google's 2023 report on EV search trends in India, searches for electric vehicles surged by 110% year on year, with Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities showing the most interest. Additionally, nearly 70% of Indian consumers surveyed in a Deloitte study expressed a preference for EVs over traditional vehicles, citing lower running costs and environmental benefits as key motivators. This wave of interest is amplified by the internet and social media, where millions turn to trusted publishers like Times Drive for insights and authentic reviews, as well as individual content creators for direct user inputs. Digital publishers and social media influencers have become vital advocates for green mobility, simplifying complex topics and making EVs relatable to the masses. That's why tonight, we honor not only the best in EV and alternate fuel vehicles, but also the top influencers and creators. At Times Network, we remain committed to amplifying these efforts and providing a platform to recognize the change makers driving this green revolution. Tonight, as we celebrate these pioneers, let us also commit to accelerating our collective journey towards sustainable mobility. With this, I once again welcome you all and look forward to an evening of exchanging ideas about the future of India's green mobility. Thank you.